Hello and welcome to your mom's favorite channel. You see, today we'll be making something pretty basic, but it's very versatile and it can be used in a lot of different things. And it's probably most known for being one of the main ingredients in stuff like hummus and baba ganoush. And this of course is tahini. And we'll be making this from scratch using sesame seeds. And these little seeds have loads of health benefits. They're a good source of protein, fiber, healthy fats. They can help lower high blood pressure. It's rich in antioxidants and it's packed with flavor. Although this does take a little bit of time to make, making your own tahini at home is not only cheaper, a lot of times it's much tastier than the store-bought stuff. But I think that's enough chitty-chatty for now. Let's make this. Like I said, this is pretty basic. You don't need a lot of things. A little bit of salt, a little bit of oil, and of course, your sesame seeds. And these seeds are still raw, so our first step will be dry roasting this in a pan. On medium to high heat, get your pan nice and warm and add all of your sesame seeds. It's best to not let the seeds sit still for too long, as this might cause burning or uneven cooking. So just keep the seeds moving by either stirring it with a wooden spoon or just tossing it in the pan like this until they get nice golden brown and toasty. And once they've reached this golden brown color, you can remove it from the heat and place it into a big open container or a tray just to help it cool down a bit quicker. Or you could be an idiot like me and just leave it in the hot pan and wonder, why is it taking so long to cool down? And yeah, don't touch it because it's still fucking hot, idiot. And once it's cooled down to room temperature, it's time to put it into our food processor. And yeah, you can do this in a blender too. And then we just start blending the stuff. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but it's worthwhile, I promise. And here's a few slow-mo shots just to keep you busy while the stuff is blending. And this stuff smells fucking amazing. And it's a good idea to stop every now and then just to scrape down the sides. This will help speed up the process a little bit and will also ensure a more even blend. And once it started looking a bit clumpy, I added 2 tablespoons of oil. And just keep on blending, you'll see that it will start becoming smoother eventually. And once it's become nice and smooth, give it a quick taste and season it with as much salt as you prefer. I used about a teaspoon of salt. And then find a container to store this in because the tahini is done. Any sealable container will work, and if you are storing this in a fridge, you can keep it for up to a month. And you can use this stuff in a lot of things. You can make salad dressings, sauces, put it in soups or stews, make dips, and like I said earlier, you can make hummus. Hummus is my favorite thing to make with tahini, and here's how you can make it. In a blender, add 1 can of drained chickpeas, 4 tablespoons of your fresh tahini, and start blending it. Once it starts looking pasty, you can add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Unfortunately, I only had sunflower oil, but that also works. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 clove of garlic. But if you like garlic just like me, you can always add more. I used 2 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of freshly ground cumin seeds, or you could use pre-ground cumin too. And just remember to stop every now and then just to scrape down the sides for a more even blend. And blend until you reach the consistency that you like. But personally, I like mine thick. But feel free to add a little dash of water just to thin it down a bit more. And there you have it. Homemade hummus. Perfect for dipping and spreading onto your favorite things. Top it off with some smoked paprika and a little bit of oil. A small fresh loaf of bread. Then add some fresh greens, cut up tomatoes, and we have a meal. So let's eat. I personally think that hummus is even more versatile than tahini, and the amount of ways that you can flavor the hummus is endless, and there's a few upcoming videos to show you how to use this hummus in different ways. Anyways, if you like these recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment below. Check out my other social media, and as always, see you in the next one. Peace!